So try to locate the image. So that image, I want to believe that everybody have that particular image. I want to believe that everybody has it. So I shared it with us. I shared it with us. So the image is named education one dot WEB. So I will try to check it from here. If I have it here. I have it online as well. Education one. So let me check. I have it. Education one. Dot WEB. Let's see. Trying to locate the file. Alright, so while this is ongoing, let me continue with setting up our environment. Don't forget we've divided all our work to section, the navigation area, the main section, the info section, the intro, the browse course, the value, the remarks section, and the contact section. So inside the asset folder, what I'm going to do is create a new folder. Let's call that CSS. Then inside the asset folder again, I'm going to create another folder. I'll call that JS. And inside assets again, I'm going to create another folder. We'll call that images. Alright. So coming to my recycle bin, there is possibility of having this file here, right? You can try to rename this guy so I can restore asset. This is asset. Coming back to my desktop and front end. This is asset. This is images, and there's nothing there is empty. Okay, so I can delete it again. What I want is not there. Okay, so let me see. This is still loading. So while that keeps on, I want to believe that we all have the file education because I asked us to do it and submit it. So inside the nav bar, I want us to see that firstly we have the navigation, and in the navigation, so I want to divide it into three divs. I want to divide it into three divs. So the first div is for logo, so that's div for logo. Then the second div is for the link, div for the link. See, and the third div is a div for the account. So now, then inside the div for the logo, then I will call it educate. Look at that. Then for the div for the link, what I have here is I'm going to make it uh, three, one, two, three, four, five. So that means I'm going to have A times A link times A link times 5. So now I have 5 links already here. A link times 5, so I have 5 links here already. Okay. So first link is teachers. Second link is courses. Third link is scholarship. Scholarship. Next link is pricing. And last link is about us. Is about us. Now inside the account we have two links. The two links are in form of button, one for sign in, the other one for sign up. So I'm going to make that a nav, call it nav greater than, okay, should I do link a href or a link times 2. So sorry, we have div greater than a link, a link, sorry, a link times 2. Okay, so now inside that div, inside that div, looking for the best way to write this, div times div times 2 greater than a, alright, link. Oh, that's fine. So we have two divs now, and then inside the two divs we have links. So I want us to notice those shorthands, and then I'm coming here, I'll call this one sign in, and I'll come here, call this one sign up. So quick one, let us see what we have done because we have 5 more minutes. So launching what we have done. Okay, so launching what we have done, coming to this guy. Now if you look at it very well, see that the educate does not have a link. Teachers link conversation about or sign in, sign up. Look at that. So that is what we have. Now the next thing I want us to do is how do we set it up that all of them will be in line. So that will take us to setting up our CSS file. Now come here into the CSS, create two files. The first one will be styles dot CSS. Okay. The second one will be style dot SCSS. Now we have created a SAS file and a styles file, CSS file, SAS file and CSS file. So what are we going to do? So we'll have to press Ctrl Shift P. So that will give us a command. Then I want to use live SAS, watch SAS. Right, I'm going to click on that. So automatically it will create the third file for us that is called styles.css.map. Okay, don't forget that you must have installed live SAS, right? SAS, live SAS watcher. So coming to the style.scss, I want us to create one thing. So the very first one we are to do is create rules for the body, rules for the body, rules for the HTML. So what rule are we going to create? Going back to our styles.css, watch that there's nothing in styles.css, but there's also nothing in styles.scss. So I'll create that rule for us, and I want us to go and try what I have done from the beginning of today's class till where it ended. So once we get all these things right, then we can fire on. What am I going to do? I will do HTML, right? HTML is a tag. So and I will open this guy, then I will say width is 100%. Okay. I can do body. Let's see if I can do body, sorry, HTML, comma, body. Okay. So inside the style, we would have, look at that, we already have HTML, comma, body there. Then style.css will say margin left, margin left is auto, margin right, margin right is also auto. So going to style.css, we should have it there. So the essence is that we can write a pure, clean style in our style.scss, and the same thing will be replicated in the styles.css. So by the time we get all these things set, we'll see the beauty of using this format to write our CSS. Thank you for today's class. Make sure that you do all of this and submit your assignment. If you fail to submit your assignment, we might not, continue, because I want to ensure that all of you can do exactly what I've done. It's very, very simple, short, but let's see if you can do the same thing. Thank you for watching.